LearnInbox, a vision for new style of learning.
Hi friends, this is Rajiv. Let me start this video by giving a brief introduction about myself. I have 7+ years of experience in delivering trainings. I'm a postgraduate in computer science. I started my career in academics as an assistant professor in one of the engineering colleges in India. Then I switched to corporate field and started giving Salesforce trainings. I have delivered Salesforce trainings to multiple clients globally in all the different time zones. I am a certified Salesforce administrator as well as certified Salesforce platform developer. Here in LearnInbox, I'll be dealing with project-based learning and topic-based learning. In project-based learning, I'll be delivering end-to-end course sessions in Salesforce, and in topic-based learning, I'll be creating videos on the topics of your choice. Now, why you should learn Salesforce? Let me suggest you some points. Salesforce gives you better salaries. The salary package of Salesforce is really good in market. So it has a good career prospect. You can find a Salesforce developer's job in almost all the big companies like Infosys, HCL, TCS and many others. You can find Salesforce developers job in all the big cities of India, not only in metro cities but also in tier 2 and tier 3 cities. Salesforce is aligned with market trends. It is the #1 CRM, customer relationship management software. As far as CRMs are concerned, Salesforce has left behind all its rivals and it has constituted for the 18.4% of market share. So if you choose Salesforce, definitely you will have a secure future. That's it from me now. Thank you guys and have a nice day.